it's the Great Bone Dragon. Roar. Roar.
And welcome back to another prop update from Chills on Chambers. So, as you can tell, we bought a dragon. He's really cool. I'm super excited that we have him. I can't wait to figure out what we're going to do with him. We got him at the at-home store a couple weeks ago. So we're pretty excited. So besides buying a dragon, we've been working on fixing our old pumpkins from a couple years ago and building a cauldron. So let's go ahead and let's start with the pumpkins. Now, the pumpkins that we have are just paper mache. We've never coated them before with anything. So this year we decided, you know what, we need to go ahead and put some Monster Mud on them and repaint them. They really needed it. We have 2 pumpkins completely finished. We have one that has its base black coat on it, and then we have 6 more to do. So we're gonna be pretty much knee deep in pumpkins, I guess, this year. To the next prop we're working on. We're gonna build a cauldron, guys. We are building this out of a planter pot. The whole idea came from this image I saw that somebody posted online from the Universal Studios Wizarding World of Harry Potter, where they have outside of Pottages, I cannot say that name. Pottages. Outside of Pottages Cauldron Shop in Diagon Alley. And the cauldrons are kind of all like stacked up haphazardly, and it looks really cool. And so I wanted to see if I could recreate that, but I can't go buy a whole bunch of cauldrons. They're expensive. So I went ahead and I found that some people had used planter pots as the base and then used cardboard for the shape to make the cauldron. So I did that. Now all of these people are also they're putting pieces of cardboard really close together and then covering it with paper mache. And while that is an awesome and excellent idea if you're really good with paper mache, I for one am not. I am going to fill in the gaps of mine with great stuff, and that seems to be working so far. And then I'm going to shave it all down and kind of go with the shape of my cardboard. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to Monster Mud that and paint it. I'm really hoping this works. I probably won't get a whole stack of cauldrons like they have in Diagon Alley, but you know, it still works. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm hoping that I have him done by the next update, or at least, you know, it all foamed and shaped, if not Monster Mudded too. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Roar.
George!